Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the design and simulation of logic level shifter. Let us say you have one device with the VCC of 1.8 volt or the logic level of 1.8 volt, and you have another device with the logic level of 3.3 volt, and you want to communicate between 1.8 volt device to 3.3 volt device. How you gonna do that? If you directly connect your 1.8 volt device to 3.3 volt device, you might see the communication error, you might see the communication failure. And in order to achieve the proper logic level for both end or both devices, you have to use, we call it as a logic level shifter. Okay, so let us understand how, by using one simple MOSFET, n channel MOSFET and two resistors, how you gonna convert the logic level, one logic level to other logic level. Okay, let's say how you're gonna convert 1.8 volt to 3.3 volt. So quickly let us understand this very simple circuit. There is no rocket science here, very simple circuit. What I'm doing here is I am using one MOSFET. This is n channel MOSFET, and for your application you have to ensure that should have the logic level MOSFET with the VTH threshold. VTH threshold or VTH is less than 1.8 volt. Otherwise, your MOSFET is not going to turn on. Okay. So whatever MOSFET you select for your application, you should use the VTH less than 1.8 volt. Other inverse case, otherwise this MOSFET is not going to conduct. This MOSFET is not going to turn on. So if you look at this simple circuit, this is my gate and this is my source of the MOSFET. Okay, gate and source of the MOSFET. And what I'm doing here is let's say this gate is connected to 1.8 volt. Gate is connected to 1.8 volt, and let us say you have here R1 which is pulled up. The R1 is pull up resistor, and at the drain side I am using again one pull up resistor which is R2, and at the drain side I have connected the V2. That means at the drain side I have the logic level of 3.3 volt, and at the at the source side I have the logic level of 1.8 volt. So what I'm doing here is I'm switching this logic level at the source side. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna run the simulation, and I'll run the simulation and let us see the waveform. So how you're gonna see the waveform is, so let us see, this is your 1.8 volt. This side you have 3.3 volt, 3.3 volt, and here I am giving the switching signal. So the signal level for at the source pin you can see is 1.8 volt, 0 volt, again 1.8 volt and 0 volt. And if you look at the signal at the drain side, let us see. So now the signal at the drain side is, let me change the color for it, and if you look at your signal, let me add the plot pane and maybe I'll put this here. So this signal, your source signal is 1.8 volt, you can clearly see here, but your signal at drain side is uh, 3.3 volt. That means you have the proper logic level. One is the 3.3 volt and other one is 1.8 volt, and you can see if you are switching with the frequency, you can clearly see your on and off period. Okay, your switching frequency, that means you are connecting your device 1.8 device with 1.8 logic level, and the 3.3 volt device with the 3.3 volt logic level. And that is how I am switching my signal, and I'm matching the logic level of digital circuitry. I'm matching the logic level of digital components or digital circuitry. Okay, let's say you have memory this side. At the V1 you have your memory, and at the V0 you have the microcontroller, and your memory is connected with 1.8 volt, and the logic level of your microcontroller is 3.3 volt, and now you want to communicate your memory to microcontroller, and in order to match the logic level to avoid further any communication error, you have to use the logic shifter. And by using a simple MOSFET and two resistor, you can easily test the logic shifter. Okay, so hope you understood how you're gonna design the logic shifter by using simple n channel MOSFET and two resistor. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any further question, feel free to ask me in comment section.